Hi, Madeleine. What are you up to there?
Oh, I'm knitting Pulswaermerli, the wrist warmers. And what it is, it's the product will be like this size. Then I will sew them together here, like this.
And it looks like you're wearing a couple of them.
Yeah. You know, this morning it was a little bit cool, and then I thought, oh, a pair of Pulswaermerli. Of course, I have many, so they fit with my outfit, and they're a piece of art, really. And I thought for myself, I should maybe have a video of it, because over the years I made quite a few of these, and people love them. And later, when we meet the people again on another talk or concert or exhibit, then suddenly somebody is wearing them, and it's so heartwarming to see that people really love them, and that's why I make them. And I meditate and make them so the energy is pure from the universe. And so I like to just show them to you, and then you can look at all these different ones. Look at this. Some with buttons, some without buttons.
Right, there's all different
so
colors.
So it's a whole selection again for some new owners. You just really put it on whenever during the day you have a pair close to you, and it makes such a difference. And then when it gets a little too warm, you just take them off, and there they are. I'm used to call them pulse warmers, not wrist warmers, because it warms actually the pulse and keeps the whole body warmer. It's maybe like a miracle, but it really works. If you once get a pair, then you can see it yourself. All right, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed.
Right, and it says that they're called Pulswaermerli in Schweizerdeutsch, in Swiss German, but we call them wrist warmers usually here. And
yeah, and it's a culture over there. I grew up, and my mother still wore them with 94 Pulswaermer. It's like sometimes the sleeves aren't long enough or something, and then it's nice and warm, it's cozy, and so I started bringing this over, this culture, and people just said, where do you get this?
Right.
So here I'm making them pair by pair.
A meditation of love, and this is something that people can wear really year-round, in the warm summers even, but especially in the winter.
Yeah,
anytime.
yeah, that's really true.
Yeah. Wow, all right, well, thanks so much, and
Thank you. Well,
keeping the traditions alive.
yes.